something to do at the beach while it's raining? Check out this video. Here are some of our favorite indoor activities in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. Number 1, the Factory. This is a trampoline park that's located just north of the Intracoastal Waterway on the north side of Gulf Shores. The Wharf offers a movie theater, breakout room, restaurants, a selfie museum, an arcade, and tons of sweet treats. If you're looking to do some shopping while it's raining at the beach, head up to the Tanger Outlet Center located in Foley, Alabama. Some of the popular brands that you may find at this outlet is Adidas, Nike, Tommy Hilfiger, Vera Bradley, Under Armour, Vineyard Vines, Crocs, Coach, Reebok, and more. If you're looking to test out your bowling skills, then check out the Golf Bowl located in Foley. Also on site, you will find laser tag, an arcade, and a restaurant. Golf Bowl offers 16 state-of-the-art Brunswick lanes and has a VIP room with 7 lanes. If you're looking something for the littles to do while it's raining at the beach, then check out Tumblebees. This is located in Foley and is our very first indoor playground and development center. This is for ages 12 and under. The Coastal Arts Center is located in Orange Beach. It offers an interactive hot shop with premier hot glass blowing studio, a clay studio, and an art gallery. If you're looking for some glow-in-the-dark fun, then you have to check out the Jurassic Golf Indoor Blacklight Adventure. This is a 5,000 square foot mini golf course located indoors at the Pelican Place Shopping Center in Gulf Shores.